I played Bedwars, but I can only buy one thing from the item shop. What plays out of this is insane, so watch to the end of the video to find out what happens. Alright, here we go. Bedwars, but I can only buy one thing. I don't know what I'm gonna buy, actually. I think I'm just gonna wait. Oh, purple's not there. Okay, let's look on the right side. Orange. Yeah, I'm screwed. Okay, so how this works is I can only buy one item. So if I buy a wool, for example. So now the only thing I can buy is wool. Alright, I'm gonna go after orange. You know, they're speedrunning. They're not at their base right now. I'm going. There we go. Okay. Now all I can buy is wool. I just realized I can block kill people. If you don't know what a block kill is, basically you just... Basically, a block kill is basically you just trap them on a bridge with blocks like this, and then you just squeeze them out. I can do that to kill people. And actually, what I am going to use to my advantage is, so what I can do is I can grab these emeralds, and then no one else can grab them, but I still can't buy anything with. This means that they don't get any emeralds, which is good. This is exactly what I want. So now I can just throw these off into the void and no one gets them. Treasure chest? What the? Wait, I got extra doubloons for— What are doubloons? They're like the new currency in this game now. Did I spend all that Robux for nothing? Yeah, we're gonna go to purple. We're gonna go to their base and we're gonna, and now I get more XP because I broke their bed. You know, I love how it's just me versus orange and I haven't died yet. That's insane. You know what else is insane? Not subscribing. Subscribe down below and like the video if you like it. Okay, we'll do the bridge tactic thing. Oh, she got a bow! Luckily, I got lots of blocks. It's the only thing I can buy. I have 570 blocks. What are they doing? Hey, no. Oh, she's coming. Great. I can just build my way out of here, though. Yeah, she has the bow. She has the bow. She has the bow. No, it's all over. It's all over. No! God, my bed's gone. My bed's gone. My bed's gone. Okay, next round. Okay. I think I'm gonna do the same strategy, or maybe... well, okay, let's think about this. So, if I go to the middle, and maybe I can buy balloons. What if a blue comes to my base, and then blue goes to middle, and then they're off at middle, killing somebody else, and I steal their bridge to middle, and I grab emeralds, get balloons, win the game. No. Okay, last round. Let's do this. Maybe not the last round, but I don't care. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same strategy as last time, but not die. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, off the bat, he's coming. Oh, nope, yep, he's coming over. No, you little punk. Let's go! I need to buy armor. And these? Yeah, we're saving those. Oh, he's got a stone sword? Yeah. Good luck, buddy. Ooh, you thought... Oh, let's go. What? No. What? Okay, so I'm gonna do the same strategy as last time. I'm just gonna get armor. Then, yep, there it is. Man. Oh, what? No. You little... God, that was so close. Save every bit of iron. Go. We're bad training, boys. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and, maybe I won't die next time.